ट्रेडिशन सा बन गया है डब्बू के साथ। हर साल जो है हम एंड ऑफ द ईयर फ़ोटो खींच रहे हैं और डब्बू इतने अच्छे फोटोग्राफर हैं, हम सब अच्छे ही लगते हैं। सो इट फील्स नाइस। आई मीन अगर जब नहीं होगा तो लगेगा कि यार ये कुछ खाली खाली सा रह गया। सो लाइक एवरी ईयर आई एम हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड इट्स ऑल्सो एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट ऑल ऑफ यू। दिस इज़ लाइक आवर न्यू ईयर पार्टी of all photographers and cinematographers and all the technicians in the industry. So it's good to be here.
आपकी कैलेंडर फोटो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है। आपको पर्सनली किसकी सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई है?
मुझे मेरी छोड़ के बाकी सबकी बहुत अच्छी लगी। I think they're all very good. They're all photogenic. They know how to pose. I'm not very good with photographs. Dabbu and Manisha make me look nice. So when I see other actors and actresses, I think they're all looking quite stunning. I haven't seen them properly. आराम से मैं देखा नहीं है, तो जब कैलेंडर घर में आएगा ध्यान से देखूंगा. But I'm sure all of them are looking very good.
Well, it's very difficult to actually choose like the best picture. They're all so different, and I sort of realized that this time the calendar has like very different moods. You know, in every picture there are like different moods that he's captured, which is amazing. I really liked a lot of shots. I loved Tiger's shot. Again, he's hanging and he's doing some sort of action, which he's amazing at. And it's a fab picture.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I have lots to be thankful for over the last 6 to 8 months. Lots of amazing things have happened, and my husband is the one who told me that हम ये calendar करेंगे. He came up to me and said, "There's not a lot of things that matter. You get paid for this, and you do this job and that job, but doing a double calendar, being in it, that matters." And it's very true. I'm very excited about it, and the picture turned out nice.
डब्बू के साथ ये मेरा 10वां कैलेंडर है और हाँ 10वां नहीं कहते एंड यू नो एवरी पिक्चर हैज़ बिन स्पेशल या फिर मैं कहूँ हर पिक्चर अलग रहा है बट शूटिंग विद हिम इज़ ऑलवेज स्पेशल. बहुत कंफर्टेबल महसूस करती हूँ मैं. कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा यू नो टेंशन नहीं लेती बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज फील सेफ शूटिंग विद डब्बू. वो सारे स्टार्स को और भी बेहतरीन दिखाते हैं अपने फ़ोटोज़ में. देयर इज़ लवली म्यूज़िक प्लेइंग और ये कैलेंडर लॉन्च होता है उनका हमेशा. आई थिंक एवरीवन हैज़ दैट यू नो डेट fixed for his calendar launch because everyone's excited to be here. So good luck and God bless him. Actually इस बार मुझे लगता है कि हर पिक्चर जो है बहुत अलग है. तो सारे ही अच्छे लगे पर मिस्टर बच्चन का वो शॉट विद द डॉग आई थॉट वाज वेरी क्यूट. और दिशा looked really hot. Yeah, thank you.
I will take a little credit for this because I'm a big George Michael fan, and I think जब opportunity आई ये करने की, I think my mind went there because he had just passed away. So and being a fan was something that you know I just wanted to give back or like show my appreciation in some way. And I hope people like it. People who are his fans like it in some way. Yeah, I think Aishwarya Rai's picture is really stunning. Sunny Leon is really beautiful as well, and Sanjay Dutt is on the calendar, which is really cool as well. So I think yeah.
हाँ बहुत मेहनत की इसलिए it was a body shot तो I had to prepare myself. पर ये मेरा डेब्यू है डब्बू सर का कैलेंडर पे और बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. You know it was a dream. मुझे याद है हीरोपंती से पहले भी I used to look at his calendar and look at all these big stars on the calendar. And he's such a phenomenal photographer. I think some of the best shots I've ever seen of Dabbu sir's calendar. So yeah, बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm honored to be here.
What was the experience like during the whole shoot? What was the experience like? You've been there for so long with the
Right. Well, this is my first time shooting with Dabbu sir. So you know, working with him was a learning experience too. He's brilliant with lighting and he's very fast and very precise. So yeah.